Hello everyone, this is Derek from SunGlory and Take Care of Bottle project. SunGlory Industry is the #1 engineering company in Asia for drinkware auto production line solution. We provide A to Z turkey project for stainless steel bottom and thermos production line. Today, I would like to let you know how to make pipe to produce bottom. Our pipe making machines use international brand accessory like Schneider. Our machine supports 24 hours operation, easy to operate for yield, and the daily capacity can achieve 5,000 bottoms. Our machines run stably, and this pipe made by our machine, you can see very nice, and you see the well seams very beautiful. Okay, if you want to know more details about how to produce bottle, please contact me. Derek, SunGlory.